Hi, my name's Gary. Welcome to my channel and welcome back if you've been here before. This is a special edition of Monday Matters. In the programme, as usual, we'll be having a quick look at what's happening in the model making world. I'll have a quick chat about what I've been up to and what I'll be doing. And of course, later on, I'll be announcing the kit of the week. If you like the programme, then please give some consideration to supporting future production. You can do this through Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Links to those are in the information box below. And of course, you can also subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link there in the bottom right corner. Now then, talking of subscribing, this week I'm very pleased to say we have passed the milestone of 4,000 subscribers. That's right, 4,000. I'm absolutely delighted, and I just wanted to thank all of you for supporting the channel in this way. My first kit build, the Airfix 1/48 scale Chipmunk, went up on 6th of August last year, so a shade under 9 months ago. And in that time, I've built 39 kits altogether, a lot of aeroplanes, I know, a lot of aeroplanes, but also a few tanks, a couple of ships, and actually a couple of spaceships. I've uploaded 68 videos and had over 390,000 views. Those are really, really good numbers. I could not be happier, and it is down to the good people who watch my channel and also spread the news to their friends. Please do keep doing that, and who knows, before long we'll be up to 5,000 subscribers. Maybe when we get to 5,000 I'll do something like a little giveaway competition or something like that. But thank you all for subscribing, for supporting me, and for enjoying, I hope, what we do here. So anyway, enough of that, back to business. Things are a little quiet on the modelling front right now. KP have announced another kit in their exploration of the MiG-19 and Shenyang F6 in 1/72nd scale based on the 2019 new tooling. There have been 6 previous releases, so now in total they've given us a choice of 27 colour schemes and decals. You cannot fault them for variety. Hobby 2000 is releasing the latest version of their Harrier GR7 or GR9 in 1/48 scale. Now this is ultimately based on the 2004 Hasegawa tooling of the Harrier II Plus, and it has been through many iterations since then. Thing is, it isn't easy to find the last version of the Harrier as flown by the UK in 1/48 scale. Even in the second-hand outlets they are very few and far between, so this is actually a welcome reissue. Armour Hobby are also expanding a current range, this time their Superlative Mustang in 1/72nd scale. This is the F6C version. I really like the French Air Force markings in the box art. As this is an expert set, of course, you'll get photo etch and canopy masks included to make a really, really good job. Big shout out to small company VFR Models as well. They are adding the Beagle Pup to their 1/72nd range of light aircraft. Now, amazingly, these are almost all 3D printed, so relatively limited runs, which is odd considering that the Piper Cherokee, for example, has sold over 32,000 actual aeroplanes, the 4th most produced aircraft of all time. Anyway, VFR is a small but productive company and covers subjects that perhaps the big guns think are too everyday for them to bother with. Well, more fool them, I say. Some interesting new figures coming out of Plastic Soldier at the moment. They've released fire support sets for the North African campaign in 1/72nd scale. There are MG34 machine guns and the 81mm mortar set for the Africa Corps, and the corresponding Vickers gun and 3-inch mortar sets for the British 8th Army. Now these are great for dioramas and for tabletop wargames. Finally, Dead Design Models has just released a whole range of masks in various scales for aircraft. These include sets for the OV-10 Bronco from ICM, some canopy masks and some insignia masks as well. Given how I struggled making my own masks recently and had issues with the very thin decals, maybe I should have waited a couple of weeks. Oh well. news from the workbench, and you will have seen, I hope, the recent set of videos about that 148th ICM Bronco. What a great kit, and one I know a lot of you have made, have got on the go, or are expecting soon. I also revealed the fantastic Mercia infantry measurement of the Army of Spain on Figure Friday. 62 figures in total, so a huge paint job, helped by using dry brushing to start with. Check out the video for more. Next week may be something a little more manageable in the time I have. And in the back office, as it were, I've also been creating accounts on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Soon as they're fully up and running, I'll be sharing all of those. And as if that is not enough to do, I've also got to make a start on the kit of the week. This week it's the rather lovely 1/48th scale Hawker Hurricane Mark 1 from Airfix. Now, I know it sounds a bit dull, a Hurricane, yawn, but I have to say this was quite a revelation in terms of the design and the quality. I also wanted to get this in the bag so I can compare it with the Armour Hobby 1/48th Hurricane when that comes out in June. Anyway, look out for the box opening video on Tuesday, the build on Wednesday, and the Director's Cut combo video with bonus historical material on Thursday. So that's it for another week. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for subscribing if you have. If you haven't, click on the little logo there in the bottom right corner. Come back for more during the week, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.